Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to use concatenation in MATLAB. Concatenation is the process of joining small matrices to make bigger matrices. Suppose we have any matrix capital X. Now I am creating a matrix of dimension 4 by using the magic function. Now we can use another variable capital A. Now I am adding 4 semicolon x plus 16 x plus 32 bracket closed. So this result give us 8 by 8 matrix by joining the 4 submatrices. So 4 submatrices means this is first submatrix, second, third and fourth, and we have 8 rows and 8 columns, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now we can see the column sums here. Sum of matrix A, so this sum command is used for creating the sums in columns.